What's up, guys? It's your girl Goldilocks here, and we are continuing our struggle tree series. This video is going to be the first tree for the white trees. Now, if you want kind of like the quick and dirty about how I decorated these white struggle Christmas trees, please check the link. There's like a shorter video that kind of just gets through, my different styling or decorating ideas, but this video is more so if you just kind of want to see the process and what I used and how it's gonna go. So let's get started. So this is gonna be a silver white Christmas tree, I guess. So I'm using silver garland, silver bulbs, and I'm also using this cute little penguin topper that fell over, but it's all good. I'm also adding some white lights. Now, as you can see here, ideally your white Christmas lights probably should have a white cord. I mean, obviously if you're decorating a white tree, it makes it a little bit easier to blend. However, we got all these items at the dollar store, so you can't be too picky, unfortunately, when you're going to the dollar store, but we got a lot of great items and we're gonna make it work, and we're gonna make this Christmas tree absolutely fabulous. And so there's a reason also that we're putting the lights on first, because our other decorations actually can help hide the green cord for the Christmas tree. Now, it doesn't bother me actually that much, because once it's all said and done, you're not going to see that much of the cord. But if you're a stickler, if you need it to be perfect, just please, if you're decorating your white tree, your white struggle tree specifically, make sure you have a white cord for your white lights. So there we go. So now they're turned on and we are good to go. Oops, fell a little bit there, but it's cool. We're getting it together. So next, what we're gonna do is we're gonna add our garland. This is a silver garland. I just think this is so pretty and it makes the tree sparkle. So we're gonna add that, and this garland actually is going to help hide a lot of those cords. So I'm cool with it. So while we're just putting on the garland, please make sure you take the time to like the video. That helps me out a lot and encourages me to keep going. If I don't get likes, I get sad. Also, please make sure you subscribe to the channel, of course. For this holiday season, I am going to show you guys how I decorated all of my little struggle trees. So please stay around for that, because it's just a fun way to celebrate the holidays and just, appreciate the little things in life, which, the holidays and Christmas is all about. So please hit that like button. Also subscribe to the channel if you're not already subscribed. I know a few of you guys are from back in the day, so the channel's switching up. So if you like the content, please continue to subscribe, or if you're new here, hey, hit that button so we can have some fun together. So here we go, still putting on our garland here, and as you can see, it just makes the tree sparkle. Again, I know it's looking a little questionable now, but I promise you this is gonna have a beautiful outcome when it is all said and done. So at this point, we're done with the garland. See how good it looks? You can really help improve the look by kind of like pushing the garland as far into the tree as possible. And that also goes for like the lights. If you want to hide the lights or the garland a little better, just push it like as closely into the tree as you possibly can. When you push the garland in, it really makes the tree sparkle, and it also gives it like a little bit of volume. And so since we are using struggle trees, we need the volume. All right. So now I'm just getting ready to use our bulbs. I'm using like silver bulbs, and these bulbs kind of look a little different. Some are sparkly, some are textured, some are shiny, so they all look a little different. So now we're just gonna put the bulbs on, and oh my gosh, this is like what really makes a Christmas tree fun to me, is like the bulbs or like the decorations. Now I just used one pack of the bulbs. I don't know how many were in there, maybe like 10 or 12. But if you really want to go crazy with it, like you can use 2 packs. I mean, it did come from the dollar store, so you know, I think we can splurge a little bit on the bulbs. And oh, it is looking so pretty. It's coming together very, very nicely. So yeah, there she is. Ooh, she's so pretty. And we're gonna top it off with our penguin topper. Boop. There it is. Let's get a close up. Hey, beautiful. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you have a happy holidays. Again, please like the video, subscribe, and I will see you next time.